Hi guys, for today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to lock Facebook account. With the profile picture guard, strangers were not able to zoom into, share or download a user's full-size profile picture. But with the new Facebook profile lock, strangers will now also not be able to see photos and posts on the timeline of a user. This would apply for all photos and posts no matter how long back a person had uploaded them. Before we start, please support Mr. Mobile by clicking the subscribe button and click the notification bell. Download Facebook Lite on Google Play Store, Apple Store, or on Huawei Gallery app. Step 2. Once the app downloaded, log in using your Facebook account. And yes, Facebook Lite is a safe application. It is only another version of Facebook which only has main features and uses less mobile data and take less space in your mobile phone. Step 3. Once login successful, click the hamburger button from the main page. Step 4. From the selection menu, click the language settings and set the Burmese language. Step 5. Click back and go to your profile. Step 6. On your profile, click the More button. Step 7. From the selection menu, click the option with guard-like image. Step 8. By clicking the blue button below, you will close your profile. Once your profile was closed, only your friends can see your photos, posts, stories, and able to view your cover photo and profile. Hope you like this tutorial. Learn more about mobile. Click subscribe for more tutorial here at Mr. Mobile.